Yeah. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches, fuck up, then dismiss them. Bang. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up for the system.
Right now. What's up, guys? It's your boy Tom the Boss back with another video today. Next to me I have my sister Olzy Chan. If you want to go see her channel, check the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe the video, or what's his name? Or Overhaul will come to your house and destroy it, because you better like the video. Next we have the famous YouTuber DCB Trolls, also his Roblox username, the Blackie1. He helps me most of my showcase videos. Today we're going to be doing an overall showcase if this event doesn't get in the way. The Blackie1, please enter the bridge.
I did.
Anyway, introduce yourselves. With yourself.
So, the thing is, I'm a pro at the game. I have 2 dual funders and I have 12 million yen. I'm willing to give 2 million yen if you sub to Top the Boss. It's Olzy Chan and DCB Trolls.
If you're able
like all of our videos and comment, where's my 2 million yen? Once you've done all of that, you've entered the giveaway.
And if you enter the giveaway, one of the top 3 people to win can gain one special item given from me, deciding what it is, and it will be of legendary rarity. Now, DCB Trolls, time for the overall showcase.
We need to wait for the rescue civilians over.
Why?
Because we're both heroes.
Yeah, so just attack the villains.
Oh, okay.
So what's the moves? Show us the moves.
There's the pipe one. It does 141 damage if you max your...
It auto aims,
damage.
right?
Yeah. And then there's this one.
Wow. Spikes come up.
And lastly, there's the awakening. The awakening is so overpowered. There's
Okay.
one move, it does 600 damage.
Mine is to calm down with that all for one. Were you able to use it?
I could, but I'd rather wait for us to just 1v1 and then I'll do it.
Okay. Anyways, guys, this event's going to take some time, 15 seconds left. So make sure if you haven't liked or subbed the video already, and tell all your friends about my channel, because you know my channel's the best. And if I've already said this, sorry I haven't been uploading. Well, I have been uploading, because it's going to be one of my few videos. I'm going to soon have a big video coming out, so you guys got to wait and see. Anyways, yeah?
This is the awakening move.
Okay, come on in.
How much health do you have?
I have 753. Okay, so that did like 600 damage, which is really OP. And next we're just going to finish off with this with a 1v1. And I'm dead. Anyway, wait for me to respawn and then we can actually have a 1v1. Are you on the bridge?
Should I equip your thunder?
Yeah, equip anything you want. So this is going to be...
You can showcase the Thanos sidekick if you want.
No, it's okay. Where are you?
Okay, come to the fighting thing near the bridge.
I'm already at a bridge. Anyway, this video is also going to be me versus the Blackie1 and an overall showcase. So just make sure you show the love by subscribing to our channels. And if you want to enter the giveaways, then just make sure to like to all 3 channels. Olzy Chan, she does gacha. The Blackie1, he also does videos on Roblox and Guns of Boom and mobile games. Check that out and subscribe to my channel, where we can start doing any mobile games if you guys want. I don't really know. Really, I'm up to play anything. I'm a true gamer. Anyway, I'm at the hero spawn because like I don't know where I'm going. Anyway, what's up guys, we're back for the 1v1, just right where I left off. Anyway, Me and him are about to 1v1. You know it's a bit laggy, so he's got the upper hand. Anyway, in 3, 2, 1, go. Use the skeletonal scythe. And boy, he's already using the dual thunder. Okay, we've got to disable his quirk. He doesn't even use his quirk anyway, so... Oh! Dodge these. And I'm already taking damage and like... Okay, I'm already dead. So as you guys can see, Overhaul is pretty OP. And this game is pretty... Yeah, it's unfair. So I'm just going to quickly sneak attack him, damn it. Ah, it's got me again. Anyway, I'm going to go into my ultimate. Because you guys know I got all for one. Your boy's evil. None of your attacks did damage. Boy, get out of here. Get out of here. No, he's going to use his one move. Oh, he's got Thanos out. I'm about to die anytime soon. Oh, yeah. Disabled his quirk. Boy. Oh, skeletonal scythe. Boy. Oh! He stunned me halfway through the air. Oh. Oh.
I'm getting double teamed by someone that
Oh. 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 I got him again.
Oh.
With my lag. Boy, I'm coming for you. Where are you? Oh, got him again. As you can see, I bet. Oh, okay, and he got me. How much health are you on?
700, 800 now.
What? Oh my god. Anyway, guys, that's it.
Guys, also, there's an overhaul move that heals you up. So better come.
Oh my god, no wonder you. Overhaul's OP, guys. Okay, make sure to add.
Better hit me. It's gonna hit me.
Make sure to add the dude on Discord and tell him how OP Overhaul is. Don't know why I can't hear you.
Okay, just keep on hitting me.
My god.
So low.
This. Oh my god, my moves do nothing. My. Oh my god, okay, come on. This awakening takes forever. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video.
Wait.
Yeah? If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe so I can finally beat this kid in a 1v1. If you do like and subscribe, just make sure to check out those 3's channels, like their most recent video, and comment giveaway. And yeah, comment giveaway 2 million yen. And the top 3 people to do it first, one of you randomly will be getting 2 million yen and a special item from me. And that's it, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video.